Hello everyone, this is Ilantriyan. In today's video, I'll be sharing a handy trick with you. Have you ever noticed that when we create an empty game object in the Unity editor, it tends to appear at random position, forcing us to reset it every time? Well, I've got a solution for you. Head over to the settings or preference in Windows Machine and select scene view. Once there, look for a checkbox that says create game object at origin and enable this option, and you are good to go now. Now let's test it out. Create a new game object. It magically appears at right position, making your workflow in Unity a whole lot smoother. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you.